Kids, let's learn. Draw and color a cute apple juice. Stay until the end for lots of fun. First, draw a big juice box shape.
Kids, before you start watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might get a cute surprise.
Add a cute little apple on the box. Draw two cute eyes and a happy face. Now, let's learn the spelling of apple juice. Applajuice. Color the apple red and green. Color the juice box red. Color the eyes black.